Ithabu ria andu aria marwarite murimu uyu riu ni riakinya andu 100 ria 42 thutha wa andu angi 16 kuongerereka hari ithabu-ini riri.
In the last 24 hours, we have tested a total of 530 samples, out of which 16 people have tested positive for coronavirus disease.
Hari ithabu riu Akenya ni 15 na gukinyerio muthi makiria andu 3,000 ni mathimitwo murimu ucio.
Out of this number, 9 are from the quarantine facilities, while 7 are from contact tracing. The 16 people have already been moved into isolation in various health facilities, and contact tracing is ongoing.
No ndu uria urakaritie thirikari ni thibitari cia andu kiumbe iria cirerikana ni cioete kanya ka murimu uyu kuongerera marihi kuri arwaru, undu uria wongereire gitangiko kuri arwaru acio, na oho mukana ukarutwo kuri andu aria maigitwo keheri-ini iguru ria kuna mawatho maria maigitwo.
We have reports of gloves and other PPE equipment that are costing about 8,000 Kenya shillings for Kenyans who are admitted in facilities. This is unacceptable and immoral, and the Medical Council has been directed to take up this issue.
Almost 54 to 55% of the cases that have turned positive, we have picked them from the quarantine facilities. In certain facilities, people didn't maintain the physical distancing, therefore leading to cross-infection. We will not, however painful this decision is, will not waver on the extent of protecting Kenyans just to please a few people who have failed to comply with very simple instructions which other people elsewhere have completely complied with, and very soon they are going home.
Nairobi ni etongoretie na namba ya andu aria marwarite murimu ucio wa COVID-19, undu uria utumite speaker wa county ya Nairobi Beatrice Elachi kwendekithia gwikirwo mikana ya andu kwaga kuma nja niguo kuhita murimu uyu.
If we are able to lock down and see how the numbers can stagnate at one point, it will help Kenya. It's because Nairobians have refused to social distance. Nairobians have refused just to wear a mask. And we are saying it is for your own life. And therefore it is time for us to take responsibility.
Thirikari cia matura cikirwo cihingure maitho wega gutigirira ni mahitana na murimu uyu na njira ciothe iria cingihotekana. Namba ya aria marwarite murimu wa COVID-19 nigithiaga na mbere kwambatira, riu maitho ma thirikari maroretio kuri thibitari imwe ciacio cikirikana ni cirongerera marihi kuri arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19. Ribotera Inooro TV, yitagwo Muitiriri Awangari.